guys, welcome back to Ferro Iron and Customs. I'm Michael. This is another Friday night in the shop. It may lead into Saturday because I want to get as much done on this wheel tubs this weekend as possible. Barring we don't lose electricity, we are in the middle of seeing tropical storm force winds from Hurricane Ian. When I looked earlier, the hurricane is 250 miles southeast of where we're at. I don't think we're in any danger from the hurricane force winds. I don't think we're going to be in any danger. They're predicting somewhere north of gale force winds, which is gale force is 41 miles an hour, nautical miles an hour. We're gonna work out here as long as we can. We lose power, I'm going home. We get tired, I'm going home. But other than that, I'm staying here and we're gonna get this thing knocked out as much as we can. Now, Glenn and I talked earlier, something we had talked about before. He didn't like the idea of creating a filler panel to go right there. So we're thinking about filling in the whole upper part of that bed. I think what would probably be the easiest way to do that is put a sheet of sheet metal in there. Would look the best if we're going to try to make it flat. But that will cost sheet metal. So we're going to get into this. I haven't seen him yet. He was said he was home and nobody was out here when I got here. So we're going to get started. Guys, y'all about to see some Orange County chopper stuff going up in here. I'm gonna tag that tater in a minute if he don't cut me a piece of steel to go in here. Hey guys, I think the rain's pretty much slowed down a little bit. It don't sound like the wind's rocking and rolling quite as much. I don't know when the worst of it's gonna get here. We still got lights. So far I've tacked all this in. We're gonna have to get a die grinder to grind those down. I've started tacking this plate in, and we got this plate made and started tacking it in, and we're gonna try to get these holes filled up. And like I said, we're gonna keep on rocking and rolling tonight until we get as much as we can done, and then we may have to work a little bit tomorrow. Glen's making his filler pieces to go in here right now, and I really can't think of, after all the welding's done, I can't think of really much more than we got to do. Well, that's what I'm saying. Once we get these pieces welded in and then make these cross braces, and that's gonna be just about it for welding until
gas tank. Gas tank good.
Yeah, gotta make the gas, or we gotta figure out what we're gonna do about the gas tank.
Any suggestions, let me know.
Yeah, talked about running the gas spout through the top and just putting it like an old school cap on it, but it's a Ranger. So I don't know if we can get an old school cap for a Ranger or not. We could probably get an old school gas tank, but then the caps are vented and there's a potential of maybe getting water in it. Maybe not, I don't know. We talked about recessing the cap down in the gas tank. I mean the top, using like a gas lid off of the Ranger, but I don't think we have enough room to do that. So we're going to continue welding. Actually, I'm going to run to the house and check on the dogs right quick and make sure that the missus is doing okay when she gets home from work. and then we're gonna get back and we're gonna do some more welding. Guys, make sure you turn your grinder off. I think it's been running for 10 minutes. Glenn stuck his finger in it. I wouldn't laugh if it was bad, but he says it's bad.
It ain't bad. I nipped it.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna call it a night pretty shortly. This is what we've got done so far. I got some welds that are really ugly on this side. I think I may even wait to do this in the morning and try to cut out a piece and do the cut and butt. Got this piece cut and butt in. Still got to weld it. Still got a bunch of ugly places over here to fix. We got the this is going to be even with the floor, the door when it closes. Some little block off panels so that when you pull the cover down, you won't be able to see anything. It'll just be a cover and everything. So I'm probably gonna, like I said, just got a bunch more welding to do. Glenn and I are gonna get over here in the morning early and get on it. And I may add that in the next video that we did. It seems like the winds and rain kind of quieten down around 5 o'clock. I think if we can make it till about 2 or 3 o'clock, maybe 4 in the morning, that everything's going to be fine. We did have the lights flicker a couple of times, but other than that, we're hanging out. We're doing all right. We got a lot of work accomplished tonight. We got a lot more work to do. And get this welding up done.
Safety first.
Yeah, safety first. Glenn said safety first. And get all this welding done, and then the next stuff is going to be stuff that Glenn is going to do. He's going to do the body work and cleaning up, and going to rhino line or generic rhino line or whatever, bed line the bed of this thing. We've kind of decided about doing the bends, so we're probably going to we'll show you how we're going to do that when we get ready to make the rest of the bed, because I don't have anything to make. Our longest bend is I think 55, 56 inches, and my bender is a 36 inch bender, and it struggles with 36 inches of 18 gauge. So maybe that'll change one day. We'll get a better bender, a better brake, and that's it. Thanks everyone for watching. Like and subscribe, and hopefully in the next week or two we're going to have some more on this. Like I said, I'll probably shoot a little more tomorrow. Before I get to the house, I do want to get some time in working on the 50. Hope everyone came through Hurricane Ian safely, and try to keep all those people that didn't in your thoughts. I know Florida's a mess, and probably parts of South Carolina are a mess by now. So anyway, see y'all later.